Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the region of Murcia, in the southeast part of Spain, but in the northeastern area of the region. I am in a beautiful town called Fortuna. This peaceful town is known for its archaeological rich history, its historic thermal baths and natural landscapes. Today I am going to be kicking off the new year showing you a property where there is only just one left for a fantastic price. Can I just say, I'm shook. For literally 300,000 euros. This is an independent detached villa that offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's on a plot of 325 square meters, and actually the house itself is 250 square meters. It is distributed on 2 floors, and I can't wait to show you this gorgeous construction just before it's about to finish being built. So let's get on with the tour. Taking you from the street, we're going through the pedestrian entrance, which leads us into the internal and external grounds of the property. Here you can see that there are terraces that are overlooking the home, which would be your outdoor living areas that you can enjoy the climate and with your family. To this side to the left, this is where you would have your outdoor shower. Then along this pathway here, going down a sloping pathway, this also then leads to the parking space where your vehicle would enter through those electric gates and you would drive onto your parking space very easily. I do like how you do have a pedestrian pathway, so you can, take your groceries from your car and go to your front door quite easily. So this is an open area here, which would be a doorway, which would allow you entry into the home. We're going to explore the inside in just a little while, but we're going to come back around here so you get a good look at the outdoor terraces. So this terrace would be perfect as your entry terrace, but over here you have, as you can see, a roofed area that would be perfect for outdoor dining or lounging. The space here does overlook also the swimming pool, which is not a large swimming pool, but it's perfect for getting refreshed and also having a dip on those warmer days. Now coming across this way, you would also have here your outdoor toilet, and then there's a stairwell that comes down and leads you to the lower floor, where you would also have a continuation of terrace space. Coming through this open area here, which would be where you would have your double patio doors, which as you can see would be rather tall and large. To my left is the front door entrance to the home. But what can I say? I absolutely love what they've actually done here. Just 1 month of construction, I can actually feel the essence of this living room, which is an open plan living, dining and kitchen space. It offers 60 square meters, and there is a ceiling height also of 4.1 meters. What I love about this space is they have really maximized how much light you can get in the actual rooms with these large areas here that you can see will be the windows when they are installed, and even giving you a great sight line here of the mountain directly in front of us. Spellbinding. So as we're coming through this area here would lead to the bedrooms and the main bathroom. You have 2 bedrooms that are identical, both offering There's more or less the same amount of space, 12 and 13 square meters, and with a ceiling height of 2.6 meters. They both share the main bathroom, which would be fully equipped. So as you can imagine, obviously we have to use our imagination, but the home does come with all the specifications for modern day comfort. So you can expect air conditioning, electric shutters, LED lighting, electric gates, and all of the other mod cons you would expect, including a fully fitted kitchen and fully equipped bathrooms. Coming down the stairs to the lower floor, which is the floor that is dedicated to the bedroom quarters. Maintaining a ceiling height of 2.6 meters, I'm now going to take you into the main bathroom that is shared by the two bedrooms. After all, down here you do have 3 bedrooms. Taking you into the third bedroom, this bedroom is 13 square meters. It has a light and bright feel, and as you can see, there is an opening where there would be patio doors installed. The bedroom next to it is very identical. Again, same dimensions, and also giving you a patio door that would open and allow you access to the terrace. Through this doorway, it leads to a very spacious and very bright and well illuminated primary suite. The primary suite is 47 square meters, and as you can see, is rather long and also rather wide. It will have not only your master bedroom suite, but also a separate area for your walk-in closet, as well as your ensuite bathroom, which would be just along the hall here. The nitty-gritty. So within this construction, we've showed you a property that is slightly incomplete. Obviously, we're just finishing up the Christmas holidays, and developers, workers and contractors are just in the process of getting back to work and underway. And so for that, we're showing it to you a little incomplete because it's the last one, and we quite frankly couldn't help ourselves. The property price, or should I say, the property tax, or EV on the property, is approximately €500 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a very peaceful area, rather rustic with its natural landscapes and historical points of interest, and it's really one of those kind of places that's designed for the quieter pace of life. So if you're retired, if you're a family, and you're looking for that peace, and you don't mind getting in the car for that vibrancy, then great. After all, Murcia capital is just 25 minutes away in the car, and you do have local amenities and other towns nearby. So if you do like the property and you'd like to know more, please do check out our website, which is SpainHomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!